How much does it cost to get an HGV license in the UK? So you now know the exact steps to get your HGV license. But here's the real question. How much is this actually going to cost you, and how long does it really take? Because online, you'll see numbers from £1,500 all the way to £5,000. In this video, I'm breaking down the real UK costs in 2026, step by step, so you know exactly what to budget and how long the process actually takes. Let's break it down. Step 1. Medical cost. The D4 medical is your first expense. GP prices can range from £80 to £150. Private HGV medical providers typically charge £50 to £120. Average realistic cost, around £60 to £100. Time required, usually completed in one appointment. Step 2. Provisional license application. Adding provisional HGV entitlement through DVLA. No fee if done alongside medical forms. Processing time, 2 to 3 weeks average. This depends on DVLA workload. Step 3. Theory test costs. Driver CPC Part 1 includes multiple choice test, approximately £26. Hazard perception, approximately £11. Total for Part 1, around £37. CPC Part 2 case study test, around £23. Total theory-related testing, roughly £60. Time frame, most people prepare for 2 to 6 weeks, depending on study time. Step 4. Driver training costs. This is the biggest expense. Category C training, typically £1,200 to £2,000. Category C plus E training, typically £1,500 to £3,000. Prices depend on location, number of training days, retest cover included or not. Most courses run 5 to 10 days. Step 5. Practical test fees. Driver CPC Part 3, driving ability, around £115 weekday. Slightly more for weekend bookings. Driver CPC Part 4, practical demonstration, around £55. Total practical test fees, around £170. Total realistic cost range. Let's add everything together. Medical, £60 to £100. Theory and case study, £60. Practical tests, £170. Training, £1,200 to £3,000 plus. Realistic total range, £1,500 to £3,500. It's higher if you require retests. You go directly to C plus E, or you choose premium training providers. How long does it take? Best case scenario, no delays, medical plus provisional, 2 to 3 weeks. Theory prep, 2 to 4 weeks. Training plus practical, 1 to 3 weeks. Fastest possible timeline, around 8 to 10 weeks total. More realistic average, 2 to 4 months from start to license in hand. It will take longer if test backlogs, DVLA delays, or you need a retake. Important reality check, cheaper isn't always better. Some low-cost providers cut training hours short. Passing the first time saves you hundreds. Choosing quality training often pays off. So now you know every step required, the realistic cost, the real timeline, and what to expect financially. If you're serious about starting a career in UK trucking, this is one of the fastest ways to move into a stable, in-demand industry. In the next video, I'll break down how much HGV drivers actually earn in 2026 and how long it takes to earn your training money back. If this helped you, comment ready for HGV below. Your future starts with a decision. Make it smart.